Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Amazon Basics handheld vacuum cleaner and the Fanttik Slim V7 pocket handheld vacuum cleaner. So they both have a cup that they sit in so that they can stand there ready to go. Here's the Amazon Basics. It also has a cup for holding it upright. But they are very basic to operate. Simply turn it on and you've got suction power. The Amazon Basics has one speed. The Fanttik has a low and a high. I love that they both charge with USB-C. Here's where the Amazon Basics charge, and the Fanttik is around on the back side. Now the Amazon Basics does have one thing that the Fanttik doesn't have, a light. So we can press the light button and we got a really bright light. We got a battery indicator. So simply on and off, there's where the suction is. It also has a crevice tool with a built-in brush that you can slide up out of the way or slide down. Now the Fanttik does come with a bag, a really nice bag that you can keep everything in. It comes with a crevice tool also. A little bit bigger bin to hold all the dirt and debris. And then you can install the brush on the end here, or you can put the brush right on the actual vacuum cleaner itself. Let's turn the Fanttik on. We got a display. It shows us actual battery percentage. There's low, there's high. Turn it off. Now they both have a 2,000 milliamp hour battery, and to clean them out, whatever the dirt and debris picks up, you got to rotate this, take the filter off, and then empty everything out. Same with over here on the Amazon Basics. Rotate this, take the filter out, and then you got to empty everything out. Once in a while, you will have to clean these filters. You can wash them off, but you got to make sure and let them dry. Okay, so here we got a big mess. Let's try them both out. I'll turn the Fanttik on high. Let's turn the Fanttik off. Here's just the Amazon Basics. I do feel like the Fanttik has a little bit more suction power. Let's turn the Amazon Basics off. Here's the Fanttik on high. And it is a little bit quieter on high. But the Amazon Basics does have that light. So if you find yourself needing a flashlight also and a vacuum cleaner, the Amazon Basics one is a great one to have. Let's see how I empty them. Now, anytime I'm emptying these, I like to give them a little bit of a tap. That gets everything off the filter. And now rotate it, take the filter out. All right. Now put this back. Did a good job emptying. Same with the Fanttik. You might have stuff up around the filter. Give it a little tap, rotate it, and there you go. Let's put it back on. Yeah, these are both really nice vacuum cleaners. I did feel like the Fanttik just fits in my hand a little bit better. The Amazon Basics is a little bit heavier, kind of a little bit bulkier right there. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.